Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download and set up Telegram app on your PC. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Google Chrome Sphere over here. I have already opened the Google Chrome, but you can open any of the web browser you like. And now without further ado, you can see the search bar over here. Just click on there and search for Telegram, hit enter, and after that you can see the Telegram's official website, which is the telegram.org, pop out at the first. Just click there, and after that we will need to find the option that says download, and you can see the download options over here for PC and Linux as well as Mac OS. Now downloading it for PC only, so let's tap on PC. And you can see the Get Telegram for Windows for x64 version. Just tap there, but you can download the portable version also. That's on you. For now I'll be downloading or getting the Telegram for Windows x64. Just tap on click on there, and after that you can see the download has been initiated. And there guys, it has been downloaded. Let's install it. Just directly open it. Take a few moments, but it will open, and you can see the setup has been initiated. Let's set it up. Okay, English, and the path's correct. Okay, you just need to hit until the install. And there guys, Telegram has been installed, and there guys, Telegram has been successfully installed. All you need to do now is to get the QR code and follow the following steps to set it up. You can scan the QR code from mobile and Telegram will be set up. Now to do that, let's go to our settings. On phone, you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner, top left corner of your phone. Just tap there, and here's our settings option over here. And after that we need to search for the devices option, which is over here. Just tap there, and after that you can see the link desktop device option available over here. Just tap there, and it will scan the code. And there guys, our Telegram has been successfully linked to our desktop. And if you have any confusions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.